How to return Poshmark items. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can return items that you bought from Poshmark, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you bought a specific product and then you're not satisfied with it and then now you want to go ahead and return the item, there are a couple of things that you have to understand. How many days has it been since you purchased the product? In what condition the product is in? Does the company or the seller that you actually ordered from accept a refund policy? When you understand all of this, only then you will be able to go ahead and then figure out, because if it's been past the refund policy, you will not be able to refund and return the product, and if it's already overused, then you will not be able to return the product in that case as well. But if you're lucky enough, if you just bought it right away, or if you just bought it a day ago, you can still choose to actually give it a try. So first of all, what you have to do is go ahead and then basically open up your Google Chrome browser or your application, then go to Poshmark.com and then make sure to sign into your account. Now you have to just go to your orders tab by tapping the profile icon from the top right, and then over here you will be able to see all the sorts of options where you have to go to this option called My Purchases. When you go to My Purchases, you will be able to see a list of products that you've bought, and just select the product that you bought in this case. Once you've done that, only then you'll be able to now go ahead and then basically select the return button right next to the product. If they accept a refund policy, you can follow the on-screen instructions and then cancel the order respectively in that way. Other than that, only thing you can do is just simply contact the customer care of Poshmark. Hope this video helped you guys understand how you can return items that you bought from Poshmark. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.